Hi, welcome to another video, and this is going to be a very quick video. We're going to look at how you find the IP address of a new device on your network. Now, this is common when you install smart home devices. You install them and they're configured to use DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, to obtain an IP address. So they go to a DHCP server and get an IP address. Now you need to know that IP address to configure them, so you have to go find the IP address before you can actually connect to that device to configure it. So this is the quick and easy way of doing it. You need access to your DHCP server, and the one I'm using here is actually on a NAS box, Synology box, and you go to the DHCP clients and you can see all of the IP addresses that have been assigned by this DHCP server. Just quick look at the DHCP server. I'm assigning IP addresses in the range of 100 to 254. Now the range from 1 to 100 is reserved for fixed IP addresses. And what you'd normally do for a smart home device is you'd actually find the IP address and then you'd fix it. And if I go to my DHCP clients here, you can see here these have actually got fixed IP addresses. And to find the IP address of the device that's actually just been installed on the network, what you're looking for is an entry at the expiry time here. Now, most DHCP servers lease an IP address and they lease it for 24 hours. So when you've just introduced a new device onto the network, it's going to have a long expiry time. So this one here you can see has got 23 hours. Now, I haven't added a new device onto this network, but you can see here this device here is actually recently renewed and it's got a 23-hour lease period. So what you're looking for is basically one with a very long lease period, and that is most likely the one you just installed on your network. The device has just been assigned an IP address. So then you go to that device, and if you want to fix the IP address, now this will vary depending on your DHCP server, you highlight it here and then you edit it, and then you can actually give it a fixed IP address. Now you're going to give it a fixed IP address in the range that we covered earlier, which on my system is anywhere from 1 to 99, and from 100 to 254 is actually reserved for DHCP dynamic addresses, and under 100 is reserved for static addresses. Now this is my BT DHCP server. Most people will be using the one on the router, and you can see here we've got a list of devices. Now we haven't got any IP addresses here because this DHCP server has actually been disabled and it's not assigning IP addresses, but it's a very similar situation. You double click it here and then you can fix the IP address if you want to fix the IP address. So you can see here it's actually been assigned a static IP address. So that's it, how to easily find the IP address of a new device on your network. That's the end of the video. I told you it would be a quick video. If you like the video, then click on the like button. If you'd like to get notified of new videos on the channel, then subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Until next time, bye.